Your Harmony Visual Workspace defaults to the following open windows: Media Library, Properties, Channel Library, and Channel Editor. All available windows that can be used can be found in the navigation toolbar located at the top of the workspace. When a window is open, the icon is colored. When a window is closed, the icon is grayed out. You are able to open new windows, move windows to new areas in your workspace, resize windows, and reset your workspace. Moving a window. To move a window to a different position in your workspace, hover over the upper left corner of the window until an arrow cross appears. Once the arrow cross appears, click and hold your mouse. The window will gray out. Keep holding the selection and drag the window around. The window will remain gray, and depending where you move the window will change in size, indicating where it would reside. To dock the window in a new position, release your hold. You may need to move the window to other available positions until you find a spot you are satisfied with. Repeat the steps to move the desired window. Resize a window. To resize a window, hover in between windows until a double arrow appears. Select, hold, and move the double arrow in the desired direction until a suitable window size has been reached. Windows can also be placed into left and right panels. Hover over the upper left corner of a window until an arrow cross appears. Once the arrow cross appears, click and hold the window with your mouse. The window will gray out. Keep holding the selection and drag and drop the window into the far left or far right thin workspace spot. Reset workspace. To revert to the default workspace containing the Windows Media Library, Properties, Channel Library, and Channel Editor, in the upper right corner, select the menu icon. Select the option Restore Default Workspaces. This is helpful if you are not satisfied with your workspace arrangement and would like to reset.